What is up? So I'm going to show you what these Skars regular component speakers can do sound quality wise. Okay, I don't know the song that's playing. It's a disc I got off of a guy who owns a local car audio shop here in Tulsa. These are just stock Skar speakers running off of a stock deck on a JBL MS8 processor with a Focal 4160 and two Skar 12s. They're lower end 12s. All on a stock deck. Here we go.
I sat within the barley green, I sat me with my true love. My sad hearts drove the two between the old love and the new love. The old for her, the new that made me think all island dearly, while soft the wind blew down the glade and shook the golden barley. 'Twas hard the woeful words to frame, to break the ties that bound us, and harder still to bear the shame of foreign chains around us. And so I said, the mountain glen I'll meet at morning early, and I'll join the bold united men, while soft winds shook the barley. 'Twas sad I kissed away her tears, my fond arm round her flinging, when a foreman shuffler stung our ears from out the wild woods ringing. A bullet pierced my true love's side in life's young spring so early, and on my breast in blood she died, while soft winds shook the barley. But blood for blood, without remorse, I've tamer to her tallow. I've lain my true love's clay-like corpse, where I'll fall soon must follow. Around her grave I've wandered drear, in night and morning early, with breaking heart when near I hear the wind that shakes the barley.
Can't tell it. I got a tweeter on the right side that's messed up, and it still does that. That's insane. Well, swapping out tweeters, doing a little work on the build. Skars are staying in the doors, but some specials going up in the tweeters. You know what? I ain't gonna tell you what it is.